Columbus Eagles, and we always fly high. We are all American in every way. We are true to our colors, red, white, and blue. We prove it every day. BRIDERESPECT, we mean every word we say. We stand the test, we are the best. South Columbus, hip, hip, hooray.
Good morning, Eagles. Welcome to our YouTube Live Eagles Nest Morning Show. We are excited. Today is Thursday, January 20th, and I am Miss Jenkins, the very, very proud principal of South Columbus Elementary School.
And I am Miss Griffin, the very blessed assistant principal of South Columbus Elementary School.
And today is Thankful Thursday, so let's talk about the weather, Miss Griffin.
Okay, first of all right. It was a little rainy this morning. If you know Miss Griffin, you know I don't like that kind of rain. The highest we're going to get today is 56. Very, very nippy. And we're going to have patches of rain and cloud throughout the day. I don't think we'll see much sunshine. Hopefully tomorrow it'll be a better forecast, but today I guess we have to live with it. Patchy rain. Currently 47.
But it's always sunshiny at South Columbus Elementary School.
That's true.
And if you are a student walker and you need like a temporary poncho, I think we do have some in the guidance office. We'll check, so don't ever just go home in the rain. And make sure, kids, that you prepare for the weather. You know, one good thing we could do is start forecasting the weather for the next day so we can let people know if they need to bring a raincoat or an umbrella.
That's a good idea. We can definitely start that. And then when you are dismissed, at the end of the day, be sure you take home your jackets. It is really cold, and you know these jackets are expensive. As a parent, I know I don't like it when my child forgets his jacket in school. So be sure you go to your dismissal area with your jackets on, okay?
And I would be remiss if I didn't, because I think Miss Wallace, our guidance counselor, really, really wants to get these out of her office. We have a ton of extra book bags.
Really do.
So don't just take your items home, your computer, or anything else without putting it in something that's safe and closed and secure. So if your book bag is coming apart or you've lost it, please make sure that you ask your teacher, can you get a new book bag? And we'll be sure to hook you up with a fancy new book bag from our clothing closet.
All right. Let's move on to our lunch choice for today. Oh my goodness.
It's Thursday.
Yes, Miss Bigelow and our lunch crew, our cafe crew, they are just too good to us, because we are having today lasagna rolls.
Oh, yum.
Okay? Honey glazed carrots.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
And garlic knots. That's probably going to be the best right there.
I believe it.
And of course, we have our milk and fruit. Okay, so enjoy that deliciously prepared lunch that Miss Bigelow and our cafe crew will have for you today.
And if you're an adult and you read your email, Miss Bigelow has sent you a very special message, so be sure to check that out and see her in the cafeteria during your lunch today. Okay, so we have any other important announcements
No,
today?
let's move on to the theme of the day.
So our theme is Thankful Thursday, and we are trying to play catch up. We have so much to be thankful for. Obviously, we want everybody to think about these things, and so this will be our Thursday segment. I'm going to start by first just letting you know how thankful I am to my co-principal, Miss Griffin. She is so amazing. She sees things that I don't see, which is like the eyes in the back of my head. She has great ideas. She's so motivating, energetic, and she's funny. And most of all, she laughs at my jokes. So we have so much fun. Everybody thinks we're just, the craziest crew ever, but she makes this job so much fun. So I am so thankful for Miss Griffin for saying yes to being our assistant principal this year. Thank you.
Thank you. And I am thankful and blessed that I had the opportunity to be the assistant principal of this school. I can't imagine being anywhere else. I am really thankful and blessed every day to be able to get up with life and come to the place that I enjoy the most outside of my home.
And what about me?
Yes, with you, of course. That's what makes it the best. All of our soaring eagles here.
Okay, but another part of our thankfulness is if you check out our shirts, show them our shirts. These are lovely shirts. And we actually have the mask that matches. And you know what? We want to support some of our small businesses. And let's face it, sometimes teachers don't get paid that much, so they do some extra things. So if we are shouting out Miss Rochelle Washington, our amazing kindergarten teacher, who designed this shirt, made these shirts for us, and we also have the matching mask. So we are thankful for this shirt. So teachers on staff, faculty members, if you have a local business or something that you do and you want us to recognize it, make sure you give us something so we can hold it up and show everybody your craft, and we'll be happy to support your business on our YouTube channel. So thank you, Miss Washington, for these lovely shirts, and we appreciate you. We also, the music that you heard coming in, and I think, Miss Palmer, is it going to be going out too? That is our school song, and it was done by our very own music teacher, Miss Maya Broadwater. Thank you so much for that beautiful rendition of our school song, and we are blessed to have her on staff. She is an amazing singer. Her voice is just fantastic. So we are thankful for Miss Broadwater.
Although she didn't let us be her backup.
She didn't let us do
we
background.
We offered it plenty times.
And I can hold my ear and hold my hand with the best of them. And it won't sound like much.
It's her loss.
That's all right.
It's okay.
We'll do better.
All right.
We are also thankful, if you look at our Facebook page, Cascade Hills is going to be bringing us some goodie bags for all the faculty and staff. So we'd like to thank Cascade Hills, and especially Butch Jordan, who collaborated with our district to provide that for every school in our district. So that's super amazing. Last but not least, Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity. The local chapter, especially Mr. Keith Mitchell, has donated 10 bags of non-perishables to families, and so 10 families were blessed with food items for their homes, and we are thankful for them and their initiative, Men Act This Way, which is a mentoring program. So Thankful Thursday for all of those things, and we appreciate all of the community support.
I think that's about it
for
this edition.
The Thankful Thursday edition of the Eagles Nest News Morning Show. We will see you tomorrow, but remember
our 3 W's. Wear your mask, wash your hands, and watch your distance. All right?
So before we leave, remember we are always soaring. I am safe.
I am organized, I am accountable, and I am respectful.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Y'all have a great day. Go